All right, I'm back with another hieroglyph. So what is this one that looks like an arm holding a popsicle or something? We'll get into that in just a moment. Welcome to Voices of Ancient Egypt. If you're new here, I'd love it if you'd hit subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss future videos like this one. All right, so what is this? This seems to be the depiction of an arm holding some kind of scepter or perhaps a brush. So how was it used in ancient Egyptian? Well, this sign could be used as a determinative. And if you're not familiar with what a determinative is, I recommend you pick up my free half-hour hieroglyphs guide. And it could also be used to write out the sounds of the word for what we translate as sacred. This is Jesser in Egyptian. Has some of the sounds in it that I've discussed in recent videos, and I will link those in the cards for you up in the right-hand corner. So Jesser means sacred, and it can be spelled with the arm and a complementary R. And it can also be used as a determinative for things sacred and so forth. So one of the most common places you'll see this used is in the phrase Ta Jesser, meaning the sacred land. It's a place name, specifically meaning a necropolis area, that is sort of a cemetery area, especially one associated with the god Anubis. All right, so that's it for Jesser today. I'll be back with another hieroglyph soon.